Cooking with the Permasteel Pizza Oven is a fun way to bring the pizza loving experience home with you. However, if it's your first time making your own pizza, or if you want to see how we do it, this video is here to help. Before we begin cooking, make sure you are working on a flat and stable surface. If this is your first time using the pizza oven, preheat it on high for 15 to 20 minutes. If this is not your first time igniting the pizza oven, your preheat time is shorter, somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we're going to gather all of the ingredients and tools we'll be using. It would be highly recommended to have an infrared thermometer, a pizza peeler, a pizza turner, and a pizza cutter. After the designated time has passed, return back to the pizza oven and lower the knob to medium-low heat. Now that the pizza oven is preheated, let's focus on cooking. You're going to want to flour your entire workspace, including your hands, and place the dough on your work surface. Flatten the dough with your hands, slowly spreading it out. Be careful not to knead the dough too hard, as this can tear the dough. Also, make sure to add flour to the bottom of your pizza dough to avoid it from sticking to the work surface. Adequately place your toppings over the pizza. Also ensure the center of the pizza has fewer toppings to prevent uneven cooking. Shake and rotate the uncooked pizza on the pizza peeler to ensure it doesn't stick. Make sure the center of the pizza stone's temperature is between 500 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit before putting the pizza into the oven. Launch the pizza with a light thrust, making sure not to slam against any of the components inside. Keep the pizza centered in the oven or closer to the opening. Having the pizza too far back will cause the pizza to burn. Now, rotate the pizza with the pizza turner about 45 degrees every 10 to 15 seconds. To check if the pizza is cooked, carefully lift up one side of the pizza to check the bottom. You can also pull out the pizza to check its readiness. If more time is needed, you can reinsert the pizza and repeat the previous steps. Otherwise, enjoy your pizza.